software such as ERP, HRM, CRM, Tally, Salesforce, web services etc. are used to generate massive data for business organizations. There are different kinds of databases too, right from MySQL, Oracle, DB2, Angra, Postgres, MongoDB and the list goes on. Data is being generated at a pace like never before, data which includes personal financial data, sales data, business data, accounting data and so on. Although there are different software, databases etc., we still don't have the right kind of insights. We have data but we don't have information or knowledge. Decision makers often wish to have a centralized place where one can log in and get a top-level view of what is happening to organization. One wants the place that can have all the information collated from as many places as possible. For any business to turn profitable, the managers and the workforce is highly reliant on decisions, which in turn are dependent on the kind of information available. This is where business intelligence comes into picture. Business intelligence, BI, refers to technologies, applications and practices for the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of business information. The purpose of BI is to support better decision-making in business. A proper BI system helps you with the right information, at the right time, in the right format. BI systems provide historical, current and predictive views of business operations, most often using data that has been gathered into a data warehouse or a data mart and occasionally working from operational data. Software elements that make up the BI system support reporting, interactive slice and dice, pivot table analyses, visualization and statistical data mining. A single BI could help all the departments. For example, there are many cases where BIS were successfully implemented. 1. Marketing department helps in analyzing campaign returns, promotional yields and fine-tune spending to get better ROI. Tracking social media marketing. 2. Sales, finding best path and best practices, customer acquisition cost and length, process improvement, year-on-year turnover and sales analysis. 3. Inventory, monitoring and adjusting inventory levels. 4. Human resource, track and manage things like employee turnover, attrition rate, managing recruitment process etc. Correct usage of BI has shown excellent results across all sectors, be it healthcare, e-commerce, NGO, government organizations, media companies, etc. On an average, ROI is $10.66 for every $1 spent on business analytics. Moneyball movie guided by BI, nominated for Best Picture. February's marketing campaign aided by BI, generated annual sales of over $1 billion. Correct usage of BI can help in reducing operational expenditure by up to 50%. Financial Times used high-end BI functionality to see a growth of 20%. US Govt. Uses BI to determine where they should put police personnel for the best results. Main elements of BI. So what are the main components that make up this tool and how do we evaluate them? Though there are many parameters on which a BI tool has to be tested before selection, we provide below an absolute must things to consider. Interactivity. The different report and dashboard should have high level of interactivity. For example, if a person is seeing the total sales report should be interactive so that he or she can further drill down to see region-wise sales, product-wise sales, time period-wise sales etc. Basically a report and dashboard should provide drill down and drill through capabilities. Data visualization. It's very important to have a data visualized in correct format. For example, month-on-month sales would be best represented in the form of line graph, component-wise contribution in form of bar chart, etc. Hence, if data is not represented in correct format, it will not provide any insight. BI tool should have really good data charting engines with it. Connection to databases. As explained earlier, BI tool should be able to fetch information by connecting to different databases and web services, so that the right information is visible to the stakeholders irrespective of the source from where it is being fetched. This can be implemented by the right ETL tools which need to be present in the BI tool. Mobile BI, with more and more workforce becoming mobile and always on the move, it's really important that they have the right information on their mobile and tablet devices. Hence, the reports, dashboards, mashups etc. being rendered should also be mobile compatible. Ad hoc reporting, often what a business user wants is different from what an IT person gives. Hence, this elongates the development cycle. This is where ad hoc reporting is useful. It helps the end user to themselves drag, drop and configure their own set of reports, dashboards, visualization and analysis. Application integration. A BI tool should be easily integrated with your existing application/portal/software irrespective of whether it's developed in PHP, Java, Ruby, C or any other platform. Predictive analytics. By using high-end algorithms and historical data, predictions can be made like propensity of a customer giving repeat purchase, machine failure, sales expected, revenue expected, region-wise sales etc. This can help a company to be proactive. Apart from the list above, there are some other factors like speed, in-memory analytics, cloud BI, security to name a few. A company might not understand the importance of BI, but it's essential for their growth and decision-making. According to a survey, if a decision is made relying on data rather than pure intuition, the chances of succeeding are 79% higher. BI gives companies a more structured way to look at data while providing deep interpretations. It aids decision-making via real-time, interactive access to and analysis of important corporate information. BI tools bridge the gaps between information silos in an organization. Company which is not driven by metrics might argue about where the problem lies, whereas a company with BI will have all the information and insight in place. And people can look at the data and work towards improving business processes. Business intelligence helps extract crucial facts from a vast amount of unstructured data and transform them into actionable information that enables companies to make informed strategic decisions, improving operational efficiency and business productivity. This actionable information provides crucial insights that reveal the underlying currents of customer behavior, their likes and dislikes, online shopping experience etc. Everyday contact centers handle thousands of customer interactions that hold virtually untapped vital insights which can be efficiently leveraged to provide immense value to businesses. This information remains largely underutilized except when evaluated for quality assurance purposes. Business intelligence, BI, can arm companies with rich data resources that can help them achieve their business goals and targets by guiding timely strategic decisions. Interactions with customers in the form of voice calls, chat interactions, emails etc. can be thoroughly analyzed by business intelligence gathering teams to shed light on aspects such as customer preferences, likes and dislikes of customers, technical difficulties faced by customers, customer reactions to promotions, and the online shopping customer experience on a website. This analysis can lead to improving conversion rates and much more. Apart from the above, other advantages companies can realize due to BI include: 1. Improve business productivity. Businesses can channel their vital resources and workforce to foster business productivity as they need not divert their resources to business intelligence, BI, gathering work. Since all BI gathering work is handled by the BI team, it results in cost saving, time saving and efficient reporting supporting improved business productivity. The BI gathering team can pull up vital information from customer interactions and present it in a manner that is easy to understand, communicate and execute. BI gathering teams ensure that detailed reports are provided to companies, ensuring that all the crucial information is presented in a well-documented and presentable manner so that information can be used to efficiently manage the business. 2. Crucial information easily accessed. Business intelligence provides crucial information to companies, improving their ability to make quick decisions and generating a competitive advantage. 3. Good return on investment, ROI. BI ensures stronger ROI as companies can significantly reduce costs, enhance revenue, improve margin, drive cost avoidance and much more. Also, BI ensure qualitative ROI such as improvements in business and process efficiency, employee productivity, better strategic decision-making, customer satisfaction and much more. Companies relying on business intelligence can reduce operational costs due to improved operational efficiency and optimized business processes. 4. Informed decision-making. Reporting based on accurate and timely information helps companies measure the performance of their processes. Business intelligence helps companies make informed decisions on strategic issues by providing crucial information on current and historical performance of the company along with future trends, expected demands, customer behavior, etc. Business intelligence teams ensure that the company receives real-time advanced reports to ensure that the company can efficiently utilize the information at hand to better manage the business. See more at. In a recent survey of executives responsible for business intelligence in 100 top companies, 36% said their business intelligence projects had failed to deliver as much value for the business as they had expected. What are some of factors that contribute to successful implementation of BI? Recognizing that developing good business intelligence cannot be achieved in a single project is a useful starting point. Instead, setting out on a business intelligence journey is more likely to take companies to where they want to be. Readjust expectations. Developing good business intelligence is not like other IT projects, where the starting point is to define a comprehensive solution and then work to implement it. It's more likely to be a series of smaller projects that gradually build up to accommodate an evolving collection of business needs. The overwhelming advice from guests at a recent event focused on business intelligence was not to try to achieve everything at once. Think big, start small, make the business the focus of your project. Because business intelligence is digital, it's easy to assume that your business intelligence project is an IT project. It's not. Business intelligence is all about the business and delivering the intelligence it needs to make better decisions. So you should start by thinking about who will be using business intelligence and what their requirements are. Make sure the people who deliver business intelligence and analytics have the skills needed to engage